Well, here we go again. So yet again, another surprise snowstorm. Not necessarily a super big surprise because we kind of had a hint that it was coming, but part of a nor'easter that's moving through. We had some snow the other night as part of it, and then it switched to rain. So we plowed a little bit the other night. We finished that up around 10:30 at night. Went home, come back in yesterday, worked all day, rained and poured right up until 11:30 tonight. And then sometime between 11:30 and 12:30, it turned back into snow.
Are you happy?
What kind of stupid ass question is that?
Oh, and here we are now. It snowed really hard. It's just starting to let up a bit now. So just starting to try to get some of this stuff cleaned up, scraped up, and maybe salted. We'll see what the radar says. It's supposed to stop for a little bit, and then I believe it's supposed to pick back up again, but we'll give her a go here and see what happens. Well, it's now 5:15. Everything's been scraped. I got the guys just going around doing some salting now. Getting some salt spread before everything opens up. I think the snow is over. There's just a little bit of flurries coming here and there, but I think we should be okay. So we'll give her a quick salt and see what happens and go from there, I guess. So what did they do? Put a culvert inside of a manhole? Huh.
Oh yeah,
That's
the whole that's why I was gonna try to get some more earlier.
But that's an actual manhole on the inside there, is it not?